As adults and parents, what do we remember better? The formulae from our classroom sessions and science textbook? Or the rules of cricket and badminton? How did we learn cycling? Was it through theoretical sessions followed by tests? Or did we just go out and do it? What is the knowledge we would like our children to have? Is it just the knowledge of science, math and history? Or the knowledge of how to think, solve real-life problems and create something new from an intangible idea?
The famous educational psychologist Howard Gardner has said, "Studying is the worst way of learning. Playing is the best way." It is that central idea that Robocamp is based on, the idea of playing with concepts to create something new.
Developed and designed at Science IIT Bombay, Robocamp is a comprehensive science and technology workshop. Robocamp involves students in building robots in a way which brings out their creativity, builds their logical thinking, and gives them a sense of accomplishment, helping students absorb technology in a better way.
Robocamp is aimed at giving students hands-on feel about science and technology. Students don't just learn in Robocamp, but they also apply what they have learned. The content and the hardware that the student use has been designed and developed after intensive research involving industry experts, academicians and students. This makes sure that the learning is fun and interesting.
They have to be trained to be creative and innovative for a future that would thrive on innovation and initiative. I think the best way for them to be trained is in an environment of healthy competition in which they will find their own way.
Robotics demands interactive learning. It's not that one discipline comes into robotics, several disciplines come in. They have to know physics, they have to know chemistry, they have to know engineering. Whenever a robotic camp is held, many youngsters come together, work as a team and solve real-life problems. The ultimate aim is to enable them to meet future challenges.
My son belongs to a generation which is facing a big explosion of information, and there is learning taking place at every stage in life. Still, we believe that there are some missing dots in the form of application of this learning, structured thinking and problem solving.
At Robocamp, it comes naturally. Their interactive methodology of learning by doing comes in handy for a child to understand the situation, evaluate it and reach the solution.
And I'm glad to see that my son is now taking far more interest in science and technology, more important, application of it.
Robocamp has engaged my child creatively. It has enhanced his ability of getting things done logically.
Instead of asking for video game CDs, he has been asking for books on electronics. I think he's developing a real acumen for engineering.
I've come to believe that I can do it. I can make things happen. You see, playing is all about winning or losing. Making bots is about thinking and outthinking. I like to outthink the others. My favorite robot is Kicker. The best is Sumo.
As a parent, it was a very good decision to enroll my daughter for the Robocamp instead of enrolling her for any normal vacation camp. Robocamp has given my child an exposure to the world of science and technology.
Robocamp has made my child result-oriented. He likes to see his robot functional, and I think this result-oriented attitude reflects in his academic performance too.
Whenever a robotic camp is held, many youngsters come together, work as a team and solve real-life problems. The ultimate aim is to enable them to meet future challenges.
Students don't just learn in Robocamp, but they also apply what they have learned.
I'm thrilled to be a part of Robocamp. It is great to work for an idea which has the potential to shape the future.
After the school is over, one thing that I don't want is instructions. If possible, I would like to give tips.